Hello friends, this is Aksh Malhotra and today we are going to learn SVM with example of horse racing betting system. Yeah, let me introduce. This is our code. First of all, I want to show you our dataset. Our dataset, it is simple dataset. Uh, I got from tipster. Tipster. It is tipster dataset. It has following parameters: UID, ID, tipster, date, track, horse category, bet type, win, lose, odds, results. This is our target label. We are using this in this prediction system. Okay. Now let me explain you our code. First of all, you have to import these libraries. We are using matplotlib, sklearn, or for SVM. First of all, we have to load our dataset. It is a file uh, located with the same directory, dataset.csv. It is in CSV format. uh, Now with this we are loading our dataset, and after we have this as you seen this dataset is in string format. We have to convert it in numerical values, so we uh, convert it using label encoder. After that we have to con- uh, convert our dataset in training and testing data. So we convert it using df.il locate, and this is our training data, and this is our testing data. We split our data in training, testing, xtrain, xtest, ytrain, ytest. After that we prepare our training model. This is our algorithm SVM. We use CLF is to svm.csvc. This is sport vector classification. We fit it with our training data xtrain, ytrain, and in SVC in our training model we have following parameters: C, cache size, class weight, coefficient, decision function shape, degree, gamma, kernel, mixed letter, probability, random state, shrinking, tolerance, verbose, and finally we get our accuracy with this model, and here we get our testing accuracy. Okay, now let me run this code to show you accuracy of this model. To run this code we have to python host.py. This is our file name. Now let it run. Yeah, it's taking time. Okay, let it be. And uh, just, yeah, this is our accuracy of our model. We've got 80% accuracy with SVM, sport vector machine, sport vector classification. Okay, thank you.